Stop chasing money. Energy runs away from neediness. Poverty is not a lack of effort. It is a biological error code. You read the books. You do the work. But you hit a glass ceiling. Why? Because you are trying to install a millionaire mindset on a survivor nervous system. Your debts are not math errors. They are ancestral loyalties. Your biology views wealth as a betrayal to your family's history of struggle, so it runs a background program to repel it. That is the scarcity glitch. Frequency 10D, we don't grind. We decode. We use audio frequencies to rewrite that loyalty and shift your nervous system from survival mode to receiver mode. Wealth is not chased. It is allowed. The wealth code is ready for download. Click the link in bio. Update your financial reality.